Children, what were we doing last week? I guess we are left with the exercises of chapter 10. Or have we completed the exercises also?
6.
Yes?
Ma'am, we have done till 6. Ma'am, of
We have
chapter
done
10.
till the 6th exercise of 10th chapter. Is it so?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Now, just to revise these sentences, I'll give you one sentence each and you have to type the answer in the chat box. Is it fine for all of you? Are you all ready? First of
Okay,
all,
ma'am.
everybody please open your cameras. Everybody open your cameras. Pranjal, Alind, Ridhima. All right. Now, sentence number 1, Aditya Kumar. Sentence number 2, Aditya Mishra. 3, Alind. 4th, Ridhima. 5th, Pranjal. 6th, Bhavya. Type the answer in the chat box and send the answer to
Ma'am, what we are doing?
We are doing the exercise, the revision of the exercise 6th on page number 101. I have given you your numbers. You have to type this sentence in the chat box. The answer of this sentence.
Good morning.
Good morning, beta. Utkarsh. Utkarsh, we are on page number 101. Open your book to page number 101.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. And have you done this exercise, the 6th one?
Ma'am, opening.
Ma'am sent you the answer.
Okay, wait.
Ma'am, what is my number?
5th. I believe 5th was yours.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, we have to translate in.
You have to
I'm
write
done.
these
Ma'am,
sentences.
page number.
Beta,
I'm
page
done
number
this.
101. Exercise number 6.
Ma'am, sent.
Very nice. Very good. Beta, please, before now, next time you send your sentence, write the number also. Okay? Which sentence number you have translated.
Okay.
Ma'am, we have to send all
No, don't send
sentences.
all. You have to send this answer of the 6th one. The 6th sentence. Utkarsh, is that fine?
Okay.
Okay. Alin, now beta see, the 3rd sentence is La maison est blanche. You are supposed to change this sentence into plural. So what is the sentence in singular? The house is white. Now when we change this sentence into plural, the sentence becomes the houses are white. So see, you have not changed the house into plural. Change it into plural and then make this correction. Ridhima, 4th sentence, le drapeau est vert. Les drapeaux sont verts.
Now,
Absolutely.
what is my number?
Aditya Mishra, you were supposed to do the 2nd sentence. Then, Aditya Kumar has sent les crayons sont noirs. What was your number?
Ma'am, first.
Okay, le crayon est noir. Absolutely correct. Perfect. Now, Alind, your answer is correct. Les maisons sont blanches. Utkarsh,
Okay,
the 6th one. Le bateau est gris. Les bateaux sont gris. Absolutely correct. The 5th sentence. C'est un chapeau marron. So, where is the answer? Ce sont des chapeaux. Bhavya, why have you changed the color to brune? Beta,
Ma'am, it will be remain maroon.
yes, it will be maroon only. You can't change that, no? You can't change anything in the sentence.
And this one is done in notebook.
It has been done, but we were doing, so let's just revise, quickly revise it. Now, next time you only have your directly, you'll be having your French exam. There will be no class before your exam now. Okay. Now 7th, 8th, 9th, 10th. Ridhima, Aditya Kumar, Pranjal Gupta, and Utkarsh.
Me. I'm 10th.
Yes. Ridhima, Aditya, Pranjal, Utkarsh. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Just put the number before typing it. Okay, Aditya Mishra has sent Ce sont des robes rouges. C'est une robe rouge. Very nice. Perfect. Utkarsh, les fleurs sont orange. Very nice, beta. Children, remember this rule for orange color. We do not change color orange and color marron in plural. Okay, we don't add S in the end. It remains the same. Ridhima Lamba, les cravates sont grises. Very good, very nice. Number 8 and number 9 still awaited. Number 8, ce sont des oiseaux jaunes. Pranjal Gupta, very nice. Ce sont des oiseaux jaunes. And number 9 is still left.
Ma'am, can I send?
Who is sending the 9th one?
Ma'am, 9th is Pranjal. Ma'am, I am 8th.
All right. Anyone please send the 9th one also. Les horloges sont roses. Very nice. Very good. So this one is clear to all of you, right?
Yes,
Now,
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Good. Let's come on to the next page. Reply to the questions. Now, what is question number 1 over here? What is question number 1? De quelle couleur est le livre de français? What does the question mean?
And what is the color of
Ma'am,
the
what
book
is
of
the color
Frenches?
of?
Color of the French book.
Yes. What is the color of the book of French, or of which color is the book of French? So what is the answer? I want the answer in one complete sentence, not just one word. Okay, Ridhima you raised your hand. Beta, what is the answer?
Ma'am, le livre français est blanc. Blanc.
Very nice. Le livre français est blanc. Or le livre de français. Because it is given, see, we should always try to answer in the same language as given in the question. Okay? So what is given in the question? Le livre de français. So we are going to pick it from there only. Le livre de français est blanc. Fine?
Yes, ma'am.
Then the second one. Bhavya Tyagi, read out the second question, beta.
Ma'am, de quelle couleur est le drapeau français?
And
Yes.
why there is not song?
Why there is not?
Ma'am, why there is a not song?
Because they are saying of which color is the French flag.
Okay.
Okay. If the
But it has
question
three
would have been what are the colors of French flag, then there would have been song. Okay.
Okay.
Ma'am, the stand for off.
Yes, off. Off and from, both, depending on what is the use of it.
So, ma'am, we have to tell one color or three.
Beta, see, the question is, of which color is the French flag? So the French flag is of 3 colors. Okay?
Okay.
Or your answer can be the French flag has 3 colors. And then you can name those colors. So who will type the answer in the chat box of this one? Okay,
Ma'am,
all
can I?
of you give your answers. All of you give your answers. Let me see what language are you using in the answer.
What is off in French?
Now, beta, that is what? The French flag is. You can use still here. The French flag is red, white, and blue. Very nice, Utkarsh. Very nice, Ridhima.
I'm right or wrong?
Very nice means right.
Okay.
Very good, Bhavya, but you missed a word in between, beta. Le drapeau français a trois couleurs. What have you written? The French flag has 3 flags. Bleu, blanc, et rouge.
Ma'am, just a typo mistake.
Okay, beta. Children, you're supposed to do these question answers in your French copy. Have you done it?
No, ma'am, will do.
Do it right now. Because this is the last exercise of this chapter, which is to be done in the copy.
Ma'am, on the day when we have French exam, ma'am, we
Yes.
have to send the work of chapter 9 and 10 with the exercises.
You have to send. I didn't get it.
Ma'am, there is any
Ma'am,
copy
first,
marks of French?
Okay, yes, of course you have to. Like that. Yes, you have to do it.
ma'am, with exercises.
Yes, with whatever exercises I have made you mark. Not all. You are not told to do all the exercises in the copy, right? Only a few have to be done.
Ma'am, which are done in notebook.
Yes, yes. See,
Okay,
now
ma'am.
this one. Question number 7 is supposed to be done in your notebook. Then question number 6 is supposed to be done in the notebook from this chapter. I guess only of
Ma'am,
this chapter
5.
I haven't made you mark. Rest all other chapters you've done it, no?
And please tell the exercise.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Which exercise of 9th chapter have you done? I believe the 5th and 6th one. Conjugate the verbs and
Yes, ma'am.
décrivez votre famille.
Yes, ma'am. I have only done these two. Any other we have to also do?
Yes,
Ma'am,
the second
response
one,
the
better
question.
the second one also. On page number 89, the second exercise. Answer the questions.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, please wait.
Children,
Ma'am, I have done the 4th one also in chapter number 9.
very nice. That's wonderful. See,
Ma'am,
children.
when we have WhatsApp classes.
Okay. On
Ma'am,
page
you said that we have to
okay, beta.
do
Okay.
the
No
number.
problem. No problem if you have done. On page number 89, you are supposed to do question number 2, 5, and 6 in your copy. Fine. If you have done any extra work, there is no problem. In chapter 10, you're supposed to do exercise 6 and 7 in your copy. Fine.
Okay, ma'am.
And ma'am, 5.
No, beta, fifth one, you do it in the book only. It is
Which
not.
chapter fifth?
Yes.
Which chapter fifth one? I'm 10th.
Beta, 9th and 10th. I'm talking about the 9th and 10th chapter.
Ma'am, so 10th chapter 5th exercise we have to do in book only.
In book only, yes. The fifth one
Ma'am,
is.
but you
We
have
have done
told
in
in
notebook.
notebook.
Yes,
The
ma'am, we have
fifth
done
one,
in
did I
notebook.
tell in notebook?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
Yes,
told.
ma'am.
Okay, then no problem. Do it in notebook. I don't remember, I told you. So in all, we have 3 exercises from chapter number 10 in the notebook. Is it?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So now I think we are left only with the 7th exercise to be done. So
Ma'am,
try to
4 because on page number 93 there are 2 questions.
page number 93. Yes, this also. This one was supposed to be done in notebook. That I told you already.
What is Votre?
Yes, ma'am.
Votre. V-O-T-R-E. Votre.
Yes,
Votre
ma'am.
is your.
Ma'am, page.
Pays is country, beta. De quelle couleur est le drapeau de votre pays? Of which color is the flag of your country? So now what will be the answer? The flag of my country is. What is the color of the flag of your country? The color of the flag of my country is. Yes, Ridhima, what do you want to say?
Ma'am, I have sent the answer in the chat box.
Yes. Le drapeau de notre pays est orange, blanc et vert. Notre means our. Votre means your. So your answer can be in our country and your answer can be of my country also. Both will be correct. Okay, one of you please send the answer of the next question also. De quelle couleur est le drapeau canadien? Okay, Ritima has already sent. Very nice. Now children, once you are done with the copy work, once you do all these 4 questions, raise your hand and let me know. Because see, it is more like, how can your French paper be absolutely subjective? There is nothing much. All that has been included in the subjective part is these kind of question answers only.
Translate.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, and long translations. That is only the subjective part.
Ma'am, you have given objective also. Ma'am, like Phillips, true, false.
Not Phillips true false, but yeah, little translations, small translations. And conjugations. Please work on conjugations also. I hope all of you are very clear till now that whenever you are asked to conjugate any verb, you conjugate with all subject pronouns.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Am I forgotten? Please tell again.
Like if you're asked to conjugate, suppose the verb être. So it has to be conjugated with all the subject pronouns. You have to write it like je suis, tu es, il est, elle est, nous sommes, vous êtes, il
Okay,
and
okay, I
elles sont.
remembered.
The conjugation has to be with all the subject pronouns.
I'm like Eller also then.
Yes, aller. Yes, of course, aller
Okay.
verb. And all other verbs like chanter, parler, aimer, habiter. These are all the verbs of chapter
But that
9.
was in previous chapters.
So beta, now listen. When we are studying this chapter 9 and chapter 10, haven't we come across so many words that have been used in the sentence? Like
Yes, ma'am.
suppose let me give you this example
Ma'am, in
of
chapter 9. Ma'am, in chapter 9.
yes, chapter 9. Now in these sentences like commencer. Commencer is a verb that is given on page number 88 in the après-nom table. Now this verb works on the same pattern, no, that we have studied in 8th chapter. So the pattern remains the same and you come across various new words. Now in class 8th, the level is going to rise suddenly. This is which book? This is 1. This is level 1. Now when you'll be getting level 2 book, then in that you have so many things. So whenever we learn any language, we can't just ignore the previous work that we have done. Because
Okay,
the
ma'am.
language, we are working on the same base. That is our base. And we are moving ahead with that base only. Now see, here in this, on page number 86, the paragraph, the chapter, second line, Demain, les vacances d'été commencent. Now what is this commence? They have conjugated it. Commencer verb. What is it? It is an ER ending verb, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am, it is.
Yes, ma'am.
I'm commissaire.
Commencer. Done, children? Done these question answers?
Yes, ma'am.
All of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Can I start this revision now?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Okay. Everybody translate in the chat box. You have to translate in French. Today is the last day of the week. Today is the last day of the week.
ma'am. What is called last?
La means last. Today is the last day of the week. What
Yes,
are
ma'am,
you
what we say
asking?
last.
Last is dernier. First is premier, last is dernier. Now see, this sentence comes from your 9th chapter only. Children, please go through the chapter, the content, the passage, the dialogues, everything of the chapters very carefully. Because you're going to get questions in between. Utkarsh, you have copied Bhavya's sentence, huh?
No, ma'am, I have done
Yes.
half, ma'am. I don't got semester, so I.
Hmm. Aujourd'hui, C'est le dernier jour de la semaine. It's not the le semaine. It's the la. Why? Because semaine is feminine gender.
Please tell the next sentence.
The next sentence is Isabel and her family go to the club.
Ma'am, please tell the spelling of Isabel.
Isabelle. Isabel and her family go to the club.
Ma'am, the spelling of club will be remain club only.
Yes.
And please repeat sentence.
Isabel and her family go to the club. Okay, Bhavya. Beta, club is what? Now, before club, what do we put? A, la, or O? You have to take care of this thing. Why? Because club is a masculine place. It comes
Okay,
under
ma'am.
masculine gender. So, what do we have to put before club?
Ma'am, O.
O, A-U. Isabel et sa famille vont au club. Yes, very nice, Aditya Kumar. Very good, Utkarsh. No. Now, Utkarsh, see one mistake you have made. L stands for she. We have to write her family. Isabel and her family. Now, what is
And
the
what is called
translation?
her?
Sa, S-A.
And ma'am, his?
His is also sa.
Okay, ma'am.
Now see this line, this word sa comes from 9th chapter only, page number 86, the last second line. Isabel et sa famille vont à la campagne. What does sa stand
Ma'am,
for?
And
here
what is
this
campagne?
Campagne is
Ma'am,
countryside.
countryside.
Okay, ready for the next sentence?
Yes, ma'am.
We love vacations. We love vacations.
And please tell what we call vacation.
Vacations, 9th chapter. What is the title of the chapter? What is the name of
Okay,
the
fine.
chapter?
Ma'am, what do we say to love?
Ma'am, aim.
Yes, what?
Ma'am, love. Ma'am,
Yes.
Ma'am,
aim is equals
ma'am,
to
aim.
like.
Aimer, aimer. The verb is aimer.
Ma'am, did I write my is correct?
Okay. Yes, it's correct. Nous aimons. Now, children, we have to place les before vacances. Even when my sentence is we love the vacations, my sentence was not we love the vacations, but in French we generally place this definite article.
Okay, ma'am.
Nous aimons les vacances is the correct translation. Nous aimons les vacances. Okay, the next one is there are 12 months in a year.
And please repeat, I couldn't hear.
There are 12 months in a year.
Is my correct?
Ane. Now what is ane? Ane is masculine or
Year.
feminine? No.
Ma'am,
It's
feminine.
feminine. So what are we going to put before ane? For
UNE.
Ma'am,
UNE.
UNE.
Il y a 12 mois dans une année. Okay, those who
So,
have
ma'am, this
written
was in
un
the book.
année, please make this correction. It will be une année. Then the next one is Labor Day. The Labor Day. What is the Labor Day called? Very nice, Utkarsh. Very good, Bhavya, Redima. Labor Day is La Fête du Travail. Now, the last question of the day is, what is Mother's Day? Let me see how many of you do it correctly, keeping in mind a rule that is to be applied here. Mother's Day. Wrong. Utkarsh sends his answer, which is wrong. Utkarsh, think a little more. Do some brainstorming. What do we use for of the before feminine nouns? La fête dash mère. What will come before? Very nice, Aditya Kumar. You remembered it. La fête de la mère. But beta, it's DE, not DA, de la. Now, children, whenever we
We have to put la also.
it should be DELA, like how Ridhima has written. La fête de la mère. Pranjal Gupta, Mother's Day, La fête des mères. No, it's wrong. The festival of mother. La fête de la mère. Whenever we use of the or from the before common noun, which is feminine, we put the la. But before masculine noun like father, we put due. Due also means of the, but due comes before masculine nouns, while the la comes before feminine nouns. Is it
But
fine,
there is
children?
not la in due.
No, due means, see, due means of the. Due itself means of the.
And they of.
Huh?
I meant they means of.
They means of? Yes, yes. They, DES also sometimes means of the. I think you will come across due, dala, they in the next academic session when you'll be in 8th class. So children, let me end the class here. It's time now to say bye.